Hello, welcome to Tim to Stern Cruiseology Cruise News Update. Thank you for visiting our channel. It's very much appreciated. When we get through, it's very short. You'll be up to date and ready to go on your cruise news. I just have about three interesting little cruise news stories that's out, and they will get you caught up. So now, one involves Disney Cruise Lines. The other involves MSC. MSC, I think everything they're doing is strategic, and they keep making moves to better position themselves and put out a better product. And that's good for the consumer, for the cruiser, because the more competitive they are with the other cruise lines, competition is good. So anyway, let's get to it. So Disney fans, you're going to be excited. uh, Disney Cruise Lines say, hey, we're no Mickey Mouse operation here. We've got ships and ships and more ships coming out. The new Walt Disney Company's CEO, Josh D'Amaro, has unveiled the new name of the next Disney cruise ship. Uh, it'll be in the Wish class, and it's going to be called Believe, the Disney Believe. That was announced at a March 18th shareholders meeting, and I believe that was his first meeting. So he really started rocking the boat, no pun intended, with the Disney Cruise Line's announcement. Now, of course, all their ships are inspired by the Disney characters and themes. This will be no different. It will be inspired by the worlds of Encanto, Frozen. It's going to be, believe, will be also Snow White and Seven Dwarfs, and also inspired by Moana and The Little Mermaid. So, if you're fans of that, you're going to be real excited and ready to book a cruise on that new Disney Believe. Uh, it will be joining the fleet sometime in very late 2027. So if you're a Disney fan, you have lots of reasons to be excited, because also they have the new Disney Adventure that is in Singapore, and I've watched some reviews on it and read up on it a little bit, and it's an amazing ship. Um, like I said, it's out of Singapore, but it doesn't have any ports of call. I think you go out there and you do a little figure eight or circle or something out there at sea for several days, and it comes back and you get off, and there you go. You have a Disney, no pun intended, an adventure. So you Disney fans have a lot to be excited about, and good for you. I'm glad. All right. Well, our next couple of news updates, stories come from one cruise line, and that's going to be the Mediterranean Shipping Company Cruise Lines, or MSC, as we call it in the business. Um, they are they're trying to get the MSC Yacht Club across their fleet, and they've updated some of their other ships, and they just upgraded the MSC Yacht Club in the MSC Musica and the MSC Orchestra. I don't even know if I knew about there was a MSC Orchestra. Anyway, those two ships are getting refurbed, and that they're adding about 63 suites. And I don't know if that's across both of those ships or total, or they're both getting 63 suites. That might be a little much, so it might be uh, across the two. It's all of the two. Anyway, that's their ship within the ship concept. The MSC Yacht Club has the 24-hour butler service. You just pick up the phone and you tell them what they want. You tell them you want a helicopter, they'll land a helicopter and fly. No, they don't do that. That would be cool though. They have the concierge services. They have the top sell lounge. It's very exclusive, all inclusive. It makes you feel like a big deal. And it has their own private sun deck and some hot tubs and their own their own dedicated restaurant. And then you don't have to eat with the people in steerage. So they have all that. In addition to adding the yacht club to those two ships, they're also adding or redesigning the spa and getting those up to date where they're a little more uh, in line with some of the newer ships and just their experience there in their spas. And if you're a spa person and MSC person, that's going to make you happy. Now, if you're a gym rat, they've also updated the musica and the orchestra with the new some new gym equipment and the gym. They've updated all the equipment by Techno Gym, which is high tech gym equipment. It's very nice gym equipment. And so if you're a gym rat and MSC fan, you're a happy gym rat because they're going to have it for you. They're also updating the butcher, getting the butcher's cut, bring that American style steakhouse to those ships, along with the Kato sushi bar with all the amazing Asian dishes that come along with that. Um, of course, the Musica, and I think it's already open for bookings. The Musica will sell out of South America uh, for November 26, 2026 through April of 2027, and then it moves on to the Med. So if you're looking for that area, the ship that's updated, that will be great. Also, the orchestra, they're going to be selling uh, from Italy in that area and in the Med, and then exploring the Eastern Mediterranean. So if that's on your bucket list, and you'll be ready to go. Now, the other story also involves MSC, and like I said, MSC, I think they're being very strategic in everything they do, their investments and everything that they're doing, their ships, uh, new ports, port development. Uh, they're saying, "Hold my tropical drink. Here's our moves." Uh, Over in Scotland, they acquired a facility, and they're refurbing it, and it's going to be their creative studio, so they can take all their entertainment, their shows. And that's where they'll do rehearsals and development for those shows to make sure that when those entertainers hit the ships, they put out a good product. So they're trying to enhance their entertainment, and so that's a move for them. That's an investment. It's a lot of money to do that, and it's in Edinburgh, Scotland, and it'll bring a creative, technical production teams together where they can support rehearsals and training and stagecraft and all their performer prep. So that's good. It'll hopefully bring a better product to the MSC Cruiser. It's also going to have some dance. They'll have dance studios, some vocal studios, technical recording studios, uh, green rooms, and storage for all their props and such. So that's cool. Good for them. MSC is coming on strong. My wife and I are getting ready to go on a MSC cruise for the first time. We're going to try it, see how we like it, see what the product's like. Uh, so far, we heard a lot of good things. There are a few negative things here and there, but I mean, I hear that about just about every cruise line. So it'll be fun. We'll be doing a ship review on the MSC Seascape, cabin review, and put that content on long form. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. Smash that subscription button. We need a few. Help old guy out. So anyway, I do appreciate you taking a little time to watch the video. I appreciate it very much. And until next time, fair winds following seas. Stay safe. Thank you.